Hello everyone, welcome to St. Peter's School. Children, open your term book, page number 159, lesson number 5, Birds of a Feather Flock. So children, previous video we have completed page number 157 and 158. Now this class what we do, we will start next page number 159. Let's start. Feet and claws of birds. Feet and claws of birds. In a bird, the forelimbs. In a bird, the forelimbs are converted into wings. In a bird, forelimbs are converted into the wings. Their feet and claws function like hands and fingers. Their claws help in the catching and carrying away the prey. The claws of help. The claws help birds catching and carrying away the prey. They also help the bird to protect itself from enemies, carrying away the prey, and they help bird to protect itself from the enemies. All birds have four toes. All birds have four toes. The movement and food habits of birds depend on the arrangement of their toes. The movement and food habits of birds depend on the arrangement of their toes. Perching band. Perching birds like crows and sparrows perch on branches of the trees. These birds have three toes. Birds like crow and sparrow perch on branches of the trees. And these birds have three toes in front and one at the back. These toes help to hold on the branch tightly. Sometimes the birds fall asleep perching on the tree, but they did not fall down. Birds, crows and sparrows perch on branches of the tree. They have three toes, front and one of the back. And what they help? They help to hold the branch of tightly. Come to the next one, scratching bird. Birds like hands scratch the ground and find grains, insect and worms. Even they have three toes. Scratching birds like hands and they find grains, insect the worms. Even they have three toes in the front and one of the back. But they have strong and sharp claws help them to scratch and dig. Birds like hen, they have a scratch ground, and what they do, they find the grains, insect and worms. Come to the next, climbing birds. Woodpeckers and parrots climb trees in search of trees. They have two toes in front and two back. Two toes in front and two at the back. This helps them to cling to the trees and climb easily. So children, come to the next page, page number 160. Praying bird. Eagle, hawks and owls, praying birds. They swoop down and carry away chicks, toads, rats, etc. They have strong, sharp and curved claws called talons. Praying birds. Eagle, hawks and owls are praying birds. They swoop down and carry away chicks, toads, rats, etc. They have strong, sharp, curved claws. They call talons. They hold the prey firmly and tear the flesh with their talons. Wading birds. Cranes and flamingos move in swell waters looking for fish. Cranes and flamingos move in shallow waters looking for fish. They have long legs. Their toes are also long and spread wide, which prevent them from sinking into the soft Sand. Swimming birds, ducks and pigeons have a short legs. They have three toes in front and at the back. There is a fold of skin between their three front toes and forming web. Their webbed feet help these birds paddle and swim into the water. Ducks and pigeons have a short legs. They have three toes, front and one of the back, and there's a fold skin between the three front toes and forming of a web. The webbed feet help these paddle and swim into the water. Flightless bird. Flightless birds, big birds like ostrich and kiwis do not fly. Ostrich have a long legs and can run very fast. Big birds like ostrich and kiwis do not fly. Ostriches have long legs and can run very fast. Understood, children? What we learn today's we are learn feet and claws of birds, perching birds, scratching birds, climbing birds, praying birds, wading birds, and swimming birds, and flightless flightless birds. Understood, children? Thank you.